meeting along with the public. So I would say we have came up with a resolution that we wanted peace in this place.
Yeah, definitely.
So that there will be a trade
from
and
both sides, from
yes.
your side also, from this side also.
But
There
we
should
want
be
to make
peace.
sure this
Yeah.
that there will be no permanent structure will be erected in this place
Yeah.
along with the signboard. They have removed the
Yes,
signboard.
we have removed the signboard. No, this is
So
not
we
there.
wanted from your side
Yeah.
that we are actually sending a very strong message to the Karbi Along Terms Council
Okay.
that this place does not belong to.
No, that
The
is a
area.
different issue.
No, the issues, but we understand. But once you provoke with signboards, with erection of taxes and all that,
It is already has been
Mia
removed.
Klamo.
It is already removed.
Biar kata udah mau kelam sama.
No, it's okay. Proceed.
Proceed.
Yes.
So we just had a resolution. Okay, we just had a resolution. So we wanted peace in this area. Peace will prevail. And from our side, we have came up with resolution is that there will be no permanent structure erected by the Assam, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, or any tax will be put up in this place. So until unless that is not put up,
Anyway,
take
we
up.
have already conveyed the message to them. Like till there's your state committee is there, our state committee is there. They will be meeting very soon, and before that, nothing should be erected over here. Okay.
So anything on written in black and white, so that we have to make sure. Otherwise,
Yeah.
we don't want people from your side and our side
Why
to
written? Why
have
written?
any communal conflict. You know.
Okay, like we have
This
saw
is
this, but I
as,
think
as the leaders,
okay,
as
madam.
the leaders,
Come,
as
okay.
the leaders,
See, madam.
you have to make your people understand.
So,
They
madam.
are in peace actually.
For the last 2-3 years, this area is very peaceful. Okay, these are two communities, Assam, Karbi and Pra. We are helping each other
Yeah.
in the various activities, but suddenly they erect this
check gate.
tax
Yeah,
gate here.
yeah.
Because of this only, it create a problem. So just now we have taken a resolution. So the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, they should remove immediately
You can
this
from your
tax
side,
gate
your
and as well that
resolution,
police
yeah.
they stayed here. Otherwise,
Means our this post will be here for temporarily.
No,
because
no, madam.
See, this is the proof. I just got this from
No,
some
madam.
members. See this Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, blah blah and so on. It's a in Khanduri.
Imam,
So tax is still
actually,
going on.
we are here, we live like brother and sister since before, but since before we get the statehood. But now we have got a complaint from this local people. Both sides, they also even the Karbi people didn't happy with this checkpoint. So now we have since the green signal of both government, they go ahead to settle the border issues.
Yeah.
Then we request the Karbi Anglong
Autonomous Council.
Autonomous Council, kindly please remove this checkpoint. Then let the government decide that.
Let the regional committee from both
Yeah,
sides.
they will.
Then after that,
they will, yeah.
after that, let we know which are our areas, which the Karbi areas.
Yeah, that is.
Then
that
as
is
of
a
now,
different issue.
as of now, we request you kindly to remove this because this happened for maybe after 2-3 days will be any harmful or any violence against this. Maybe will be the communal feeling between these two people. So we don't want to see that. We want to see the happily and
This
peacefully.
is already removed, no? Your the sign.
See,
board.
madam,
no,
just
madam.
hope there is
Remove
no
completely.
There is no
Please
provocation.
remove completely.
Wait for the regional committee, so-called interstate boundary redemarcation and all that committee sit up first. Let the head,
Yeah, they should decide.
the
They
high-level
should
committee
decide,
sit first, and let peace prevail in this area and no permanent structure, and let these people also live in peace to their own area.
Okay.
Okay.
As of now, we
Okay,
request.
we'll convey your message.
Please kindly send a message
Please,
to the
kindly
Karbi Anglong Autonomous
send-
You
Council.
can also write to them from your administration side to the principal secretary is there.
No, since you are the head of the
Whatever
district, you
yes,
can take a
yeah,
decision.
we will. But you can also, because in that meeting, I think 2-3 days back that we had it in July, the council people are also there. So we have also requested them. Somebody have to take a step forward, isn't it? So from your side, whatever say concerns and issues you have, you can just convey to me. Just convey, right?
So any assurance from your side, madam?
I am here to look after the administration.
See, madam, the local people up here, they want the police also to remove from here, this Assam police.
No, till
So
the
the
situation
peace-
normalize, my pocket will be here. After that, you will remove, but not now.
If the kid is removed, no problem.
No
will
problem.
be here.
They will peacefully as before.
I assure you that.
Madam will do this. Okay.
Because this both side people
Will-
since before we get the statehood, they live happily, they work together, they help each other.
See, you
Okay,
just
whatever
can you
your
give
you have just
concerns
no,
are,
you have
like
just
I said,
mentioned
yeah,
temporary, no?
The issue
So we
arises
want no
just
temporary.
because of the gate
So
only.
let's have a
Now,
deadline
since you
so that
already
peace will
removed the
prevail.
gate,
I cannot give you the deadline right now because I have to discuss with the minister. and
Actually,
also
ma'am,
the
this
DCP
gate,
also there.
this gate will create a communal feeling. It
No,
does.
no, that is your duty, no? As leaders, are you not leaders of this community? Then you can have to make people understand.
Because essentially our people when they came here to collect, to bring any kind of like hand, dog, and pig, this and that, they collecting money from them. No, that's why we create a
And
communal feeling.
another solution is there, ma'am. If you just can put this gate backside, not this side, not within the area of Kanduli.
I will convey everything. That is been conveyed also. Already they know.
Because the local resident is not happy with the gate.
Nobody is happy actually, both sides.
From both sides, they are not happy.
Karbi
Actually,
people also didn't happy
See, I'll
because
tell you,
when they
I'll tell
bring
you one
something
thing.
commercial,
Since you are in the since you are in the administration,
when they bring commercial type this and that also,
see
they they have to
the
pay
main
the fees
provocation
here.
is Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. What happened in Mukro and what's happening now? Time and again, this is happening. Okay, so you are the mediator who could bring peace, who maintain law and order in the both district of the state. So you should take the masses message, the public message. The people of Meghalaya do not want any temporary check gate here. We don't want any police of Assam or Karbi Anglong security out here. Then peace shall prevail because you are both human. We're not alien, right?
you see, madam.
Karbi are not alien. They're tribal also. They're not non-tribal. We have a tribal relationship with them as well. So they have, we are staying together in Shillong. We've been living together. But when it comes to border issues, who instigate? It's always the administration, not your administration. I would say the council of Karbi Anglong. So this is the problem. It happened again and again because why they know this. The regional committee of both the states are actually coming to the phase 2 to settle up the boundary issue. And 1951 of notification of the so-called governor of Assam, back then we were in Assam, so that has to be quashed because why block 1, block 2 belongs to Meghalaya. No, that's on the high level. I'm just telling you so you to know some knowledge about what's happening around
I know.
both states.
I know this 1951 documentation. I know all about.
We'll have to speak about it. So that's on the high level side.
The main thing is, ma'am, to remove the
As long that is there,
the police from here,
remove the gate
and the rest,
police,
we leave it in the
there's no problem.
in the
So
government.
what
in the
what
hand
our
of the
people want is remove this, both policemen and the
Actually, ma'am, we waiting. The both side government they only initiative to solve the border issue, but we waiting for that.
That will happen very soon.
So
that's no provocation
so as of now, we don't want to see from Janjir or from Karbi Anglong to create any